guys, it is Julie Willits from juliewillits.com. And today I'm here with you because I want to go over the importance of your actual story. And a lot of people think, oh my God, I don't have a story to tell. Well, how is anybody going to listen to me? What is my story going to do for them? How can I possibly make an impact in their lives? Well, you're totally wrong because your story is your biggest impact that you can have on anybody as far as being influential and actually being able to connect with them. They may feel something in your story that they have not been able to actually connect with somebody else because they don't like the way the person may sound. They don't think that their story, because they're too successful, they would not be able to connect with them. They wouldn't have that feeling, or maybe they feel more comfortable with a female or a male. And there's lots of different factors on how people actually connect with others, and that is actually what you're trying to do. Connect with other people with your story. And that, I have heard some horrific, some heartbreaking, and you have no idea by looking at somebody what their story may be, right? And my story, I always felt, well, it's not really that compelling. But, a lot of people are going through what I went through, which is being unhappy in corporate America. I was in healthcare for 35 years. I got disgusted by the way things were changing and actually, being taken over by big hospital corporations. And during that same time, I was caring for my mother who had dementia. She was an insulin dependent diabetic. I mean, that was a lot of care involved. I had to have somebody with her 24/7. She lived with me, so obviously when I got home from work, I was the caregiver. And, there were lots of days that I cried. I lost my patience. I didn't know what to do for her. It was hard that, and other people on the outside that weren't actually understanding what she was going through would get upset with her, would get aggravated, especially my husband at the time. He didn't understand that people with dementia don't like loud noises. People with dementia at a certain time, they get very combative. And you have to walk away, come back again 5 minutes later, and start that whole conversation over again. And then they may be receptive and they may not. You just have to, work with what you have on an everyday basis. So it was a very frustrating time for me. I was very overwhelmed, just trying to keep up with making sure she, of course, ate properly. Her hygiene was a big factor. And after a while, people with dementia or Alzheimer's actually get to the point where the water is a fear for them. I don't know why, I don't know the science behind it, but it is a thing. So, you got to keep all this stuff in mind. And actually, I'm going to kind of give a little bit of an outline of the story so you can kind of understand how to write this out. Now, I'm not going to go into my whole story right now. I can attach a copy of the written story in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really like for you to, so you can kind of follow me on my journey. And, I'm on a journey just like you are. And I'm also going to put the number one business that I am in and how I earn an income online. So don't forget, hit the subscription and the notification bell. And when I start uploading new content, you'll be notified as soon as it's up and ready. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.